17 most powerful affirmations to crack any competitive exam. Read all the affirmations loudly in your own voice for faster results. I am open to receive all the positive energy, power, blessing, and support from the universe regarding highest grades. I am a elite student. I trust myself and my ability to manifest highest percentage easily and effortlessly in a faster way than others. Exams are very small things for me. I'm gonna crack it easily. I manifest highest percentage in exam effortlessly. I'm consciously removing all my subconscious blocks, misconceptions, and myths regarding highest grades in my exams. I command my subconscious to remove all the blockages regarding doing best in my exams and receiving highest grades among all. I am a person who can manifest highest grades with less efforts and without even studying much. I attract success and highest grades in my exam more and more with each breath I take. Everyone around me is astonished at my ability to manifest excellent grades effortlessly. I'm gonna crack this exam with highest percentage among all with the support and blessings of universe. I just love giving exams. For me, exams are fun and the most interesting thing. I'm best and most deserving candidate among all the candidates in the exam hall to receive the highest percentage. I'm never alone in path of excelling in exam. Universe and angels always have my back. My friends, family, and everyone around me is astonished at my ability to excel in any exam, no matter how difficult the level is. For me, it's very, very easy. I love manifesting highest grades in exams effortlessly. I'm always grateful to the universe and angels for always guiding me and showing me the path of abundance and spirituality to reach my goals. I'm always grateful to the merciful Mother Universe for always showering her love and blessing on me, for always supporting me to reach my goals, and for always fulfilling all my desires.